Designed for adventure with lightweight builds and newly updated interiors, the Forest River Ozark lineup features lightweight travel trailers and toy haulers that are easy to tow and set up. Inside, you'll find functional layouts, thoughtful design touches, and the right standard features to keep you comfortable on the road. So whether you're chasing weekend escapes, extended road trips, or off-road adventures, Ozark offers excellent comfort, customization, and rugged capability. So let's explore what makes Ozark campers special, starting with the living area. From compact to spacious, every Ozark interior features an open, inviting layout designed around oversized panoramic windows that flood the interior with natural light and provide excellent campsite views. Unique to Ozark, this industry-first vinyl flooring pattern delivers an intriguing design element while offering an easy-to-clean, carpet-free finish. Lighting matters, so you'll find dimmable LED blade lighting in most models, which is soft on the eyes and efficient on power. And speaking of efficiency, the Ozark's Versa furniture provides comfort and versatility, from open lounges with removable tables to desk-to-dinette conversions to sofas with pull-out beds. Layouts are designed to adapt easily, whether you're relaxing solo or hosting an impromptu gathering. Select models also feature theater seating and U-shaped dinettes, while exclusive layouts offer a distinctive expandable dinette paired with a built-in fireplace. Entertainment keeps the good times rolling, and every unit includes USB charging ports, many with USB-C plus an omnidirectional digital TV antenna, TV backers, and hookups. Select floor plans mount the TV on a televator system designed in-house for added reliability, helping to expand your usable counter space when the TV isn't in use. Most include a wireless JBL stereo system with indoor and outdoor speakers, while some include a portable Bluetooth stereo ready to follow you outdoors. When it comes to climate control, you'll find roof-mounted air conditioners standard in even the smallest floor plans, with AC systems ranging from 13,500 to 15,000 BTU with ductwork on larger models. And Ozark meets your cool weather camping needs too, thanks to a 20,000 BTU furnace standard, with select models offering a 5,000 BTU electric fireplace. Ozark kitchens are thoughtfully curated for convenience and performance. Most models feature pressed seamless countertops, deep single basin sinks, and high-rise kitchen faucets, which are great for big pots and easy cleanup. Select layouts feature upgraded counters with a concrete-style aesthetic, a dedicated coffee hutch, and built-in hooks for easy towel storage. Appliance packages vary from mini fridges and 2-burner gas cooktops in the smaller single-axle models to bold black glass 12-volt double-door refrigerators and 3-burner cooktops in the larger floor plans. All cooktops feature a glass cover to expand your meal prep space, and most models include a microwave, a convection oven, or both. For dry storage, most models offer overhead cabinetry, with several featuring pull-out pantry space, hidden shelving behind the entertainment center, or full-height pantries with shelving and hanging storage. Sticking to that theme of versatility, Ozark gives you the tools to keep your cooking space organized and efficient. In the bathroom, large shower pans often feature built-in surrounds and curtains, delivering a more home-like experience that goes beyond most compact RVs. Every model includes a bathroom sink with a mirrored vanity, and there's no aftermarket mirror installation required. For hot water, the LE models boast a DSI 6-gallon water heater, while larger single and double axle models boast a 60,000 BTU tankless water heater for endless hot showers when you're connected to city water. And thanks to extra large holding tanks, you can enjoy those showers and still go longer between your dump station visits. When it comes to the bedroom, you'll enjoy upgraded hypoallergenic mattresses across most models, with that unique Picasso-style spread exclusive to this lineup. Primary beds vary from queens to Murphy beds to standard kings. The most luxurious models boast a custom VersaTilt king bed that retracts to a reclined position for easy reading or TV viewing, plus it adds up to 14 inches of walking space around the bed. Secondary beds include the convertible Versa furniture and single or double bunks in some of the bunkhouse models. Outside, you'll find features that continue to deliver on Ozark's commitment to thoughtful functionality. Every model includes a power awning with an LED light strip for safe shade, rain runoff, and of course, evening ambiance. You'll find built-in conveniences like cable TV hookups and external outlets, which are perfect for outdoor entertainment. Preps for a backup camera and roof ladder make common plug-and-play upgrades easy, while a full-size spare tire adds peace of mind. LP capacities range from a single 20-pound bottle on the LE models to dual 20-pound containers on standard single and double axle floor plans. Battery rails hold standard 12-volt batteries, but with the Ozark's Auto Detect converter, a lithium upgrade is easier than ever. Other exterior conveniences include a friction hinge entry door that won't slam shut in a light wind, and a ramp door that converts to an outdoor patio in the toy hauler models. Storage is also generous with large baggage doors and available slam latch hardware that make it easy to load and unload your gear. Next up, let's get into some construction details. Built to handle the road and seasons, Ozark's foundation features a powder-coated I-beam chassis with camber for structural rigidity, fiberglass insulation throughout, and a fully walkable roof with a Superflex roof membrane for improved weather resistance. For moisture protection, Ozark slide-outs include a triple seal moisture barrier system. For extended longevity, each slide-out model is built with a 13-ply cross-micro-laminated header beam above the slide, adding durability for long-term use. The front cap alone displays Ozark's durability with the aerodynamic profile designed for easier towing, a thicker aluminum front cap for added rigidity, and a diamond-plated rock guard for protection against rocks and other road debris. And the thoughtful utility doesn't stop there. Nitrogen-filled tires for better pressure retention, color-coded water lines for easier maintenance, and accessible underbelly panels for climate and debris protection. Plus, those interested in boondocking or extended season camping can explore the optional Ascent package for next-level durability. You're looking at sleek fiberglass exterior walls, power tongue jack, solid entry steps, quick drop stabilizer jacks on double axle models, 12-volt heating pads on tanks, and an expanded power package that allows you to stay out longer with ease. But the question is, can you tow it? Ozark's lineup spans trailers from just over 3,000 pounds to nearly 7,700. Lengths range from roughly 20 to almost 37 feet, and gross vehicle weight ratings start at approximately 3,900 pounds and go up to nearly 11,600 pounds. That means that lighter single-axle models can be managed by mid-size SUVs such as the Ford Explorer, Toyota 4Runner, or Audi Q7. As you step up to a heavier travel trailer or toy hauler, though, you'll need a truck like an F-150, a Silverado, or Sierra 1500, or Toyota Tundra. Always cross-check your vehicle's specific year, engine trim, and tow package to ensure safe capacity. Best confirmed through your owner's manual or Camping World's towing guide. The 2026 Forest River Ozark lineup combines lightweight versatility with thoughtful construction, generous standard features, and upgrade-ready options, all built around real-world camping comfort. From panoramic windows and durable interiors to powerful solar, rugged framing, and tow-friendly footprints, Ozark is built to be your trusted road trip companion. I'm Ian Baker, and until next time, we'll see you.